In a cheerful little salon on the corner of Maple Street, lived a group of beauty tools who worked together to make everyone feel their best. Among them was a bright pink hairdryer named Daisy. Daisy wasn't the newest or fanciest tool in the salon. She didn't have the high-tech settings or sleek design like the newer dryers, but she had something special, a warm heart and a gentle breeze that always made people smile. Every morning, the tools would line up on their shelves, waiting to be chosen by the stylists. Curling iron, straightener, brushy the round brush, they all had their roles. Sometimes, the flashier tools would giggle at Daisy's soft hum and old-fashioned look. "You're so quiet, Daisy," said Straightener one day. "No one notices you." But Daisy didn't mind. She loved being helpful, not loud, not flashy, just kind. One Saturday morning, the salon was buzzing. A very important guest, the mayor's daughter, was coming in for a full makeover before a big school event. "Everything has to be perfect," said the head stylist. "We'll need teamwork today." Brushy fluffed, curling iron sparkled, and even the mirrors gleamed extra bright. But as the stylist started the makeover, a loud pop echoed across the room. The brand new, high-powered hairdryer had overheated and shut down. "Oh no," the stylist panicked. "We're running out of time." The room went quiet, and then, from the corner of the shelf, a soft voice said, "I can help." It was Daisy. The stylist looked at her, paused, and smiled. "All right, Daisy, let's do this." Daisy hummed gently, drying the girl's hair with just the right warmth and care. Her breeze wasn't too strong or too hot, it was just right. The mayor's daughter smiled in the mirror. "This is perfect," she said. By the end of the day, everyone was cheering for Daisy. "You saved the day," said Curling Iron. "Your quiet hum is actually kinda nice," added Straightener. Daisy just smiled. Sometimes, you don't have to be the loudest to make the biggest difference. From that day on, Daisy was no longer just the old hairdryer. She was Daisy, the dependable one, the one who reminded everyone that kindness, calmness, and quiet strength can shine just as bright as anything else.